Let's get a check of the weather now with meteorologist Rob Sharpe. There is so much to watch this morning. Plenty of severe weather across the eastern states, including in far north Queensland.
Yeah, and we'll start there because we've had a little bit of heavy rain again through the night. Rolling Stone, just west of Townsville, picking up 140 millimetres. But we're keeping a close eye on the Gulf of Carpentaria because we've got another tropical low in that region at the moment, and it's going to make its journey across the far northern tropics. So overnight, you can see there's our bands of rain down near Townsville, but there's actually a small low, hard to spot on the radar in the Gulf. That's the one of concern, and it's going to be the culprit for this severe weather through the next 48 hours. So it's going to run from the west to the east and intensify the rain in that region. So for today, I'm not expecting too much in that area of Ingham to Townsville. Yeah, there'll still be some more showers and storms, but tomorrow, if it comes through in the wrong way, we could see totals as high as 250 millimetres in the region before that low pushes out to sea and we find the end of our rain event. But there'll still, of course, be flooding over many inland areas where we currently have 4 major flood warnings in place. Further south, and we've got our own form of severe weather impacts in Victoria and New South Wales with severe thunderstorms active at the moment, as well as, of course, late yesterday when there was significant flash flooding in a number of spots. So there's some storms up in northern New South Wales for now, but it's the ones in southern New South Wales that are more dangerous and down into Victoria where we've got plenty of severe weather. So Crookwell, for instance, a very dangerous thunderstorm is moving through with heavy to intense rainfall. There's some storms on the Southern Highlands as well through this yellow shaded area. That's our region of concern for thunderstorms right now. But on top of that, we've got severe weather warnings. There'll be further severe thunderstorms through today as well, right across southern and central New South Wales, the ACT and into Victoria. Heavy rain a chance anywhere in that red shaded region, but for the inland areas, there's also the concern around damaging winds and large hail today as well. But on top of that, there's our severe weather warning. It's active right now in Victoria, where there's been some totals as high as 110 millimetres at Mount Manapa, with potential that will extend tonight into tomorrow up the New South Wales coastline. Exactly how far up the coast it goes is unclear at this stage, but it could go all the way as far north as Wollongong, but it may stay south of Bateman's Bay. But regardless, there's a lot more rain to come there through the next 48 hours as well. Hot in the centre, mild for the southwest. Severe storms a chance in Sydney and Canberra today and tomorrow. But up in the northwest, we've also got a tropical low, a tropical cyclone watch in place from Cape Levesque down to De Grey, so gales a chance tomorrow in that region. And as this system gets a little bit closer, it's likely to strengthen into a cyclone. Could easily become a severe tropical cyclone before it makes landfall as early as Thursday, but possibly as late as Sunday. So the system will have to watch quite closely through the coming days. Kenny?
Okay, thank you, Rob.